Hi everybody, Erika here from Edgewalkers, and I'm here to tell you more about the Murchison Gorge hiking adventure coming up in August. All of you receiving this email have shown some interest through Facebook and other ways about this walk, and we do have a couple of spots left, so I just wanted to come on and tell you what it's all about. So we're going to spend 4 to 5 days in the gorge hiking. We're going to walk about 5-6 hours a day, except for the first day. It's a walk that is quite demanding. It's quite a challenging walk. You go up and down, there's uneven terrain, rocks, boulders, a bit of scrambling up the sides, some sharp and high drops, but it's magic. It's so spectacular. It is WA's wilderness at its most raw and rugged. There are there's lots of wildlife. There are birds and skinks and lizards. There are so many wildflowers at this time of the year. I love sleeping next to the river, camping and making a fire. We do river crossings. We will be carrying about 12 kilograms of gear and water and stuff and food. So look, if you're up to it, if this walk speaks to you, please get in touch and let us know, because we love it. Soraya Adamson and myself are going to be leading this one. We're both wilderness first aid trained. It's going to be safe. We have some support over there as well. And it's just magic. I hope you join us and you are having a great day.